Hey guys, it's Montana with Crockd. Today I am going to show you how you can achieve the ceramic speckled look but on air-dried clay, like this. First, be sure to subscribe and then we'll get started. So first, coat your piece with a base layer. I'd suggest white or a light neutral color. I'm mixing white paint with just a touch of brown for a tan paint mix. Mix the paint together by sweeping it in a circular motion with your paintbrush. Keep your paint strokes moving in just one direction as you apply your base layer. Notice how I move the paintbrush vertically only, going up and down with my brush. Once your base layer is on, let's add some speckles. I'm using my dark brown paint pen and adding tiny dots pretty randomly along the whole planter. I'm essentially barely touching the tip of the marker to my planter. Once your tiny speckles are added, your piece will look something like this. I'll then switch to my smaller size paintbrush and add some bigger speckles to my piece. It's fun to use bold colors for this, so I'm starting with plain orange. I'm holding my paintbrush like a pencil and applying paint only to the very edge of the bottom of the brush, then very lightly pressing that edge against my piece. I'll add a little white paint to my orange for some lighter orange speckles and continue to add different colored speckles to the piece. I'm placing them kind of randomly, but also just making sure there's a good amount of space between speckles of the same color. For pastel yellow speckles, I'll mix white paint with just a touch of yellow, and be sure to rinse and clean your brush before moving to a new color. If you're liking this video so far, be sure to like and subscribe. For pastel pink, I'll mix white paint with just a touch of red. For bigger speckles, just apply a bit more pressure when you touch the edge of your paintbrush to your piece. And for smaller speckles, apply barely any pressure at all. Now I'm going to add some blue to my leftover pastel pink. This will lighten and tone down the blue just a touch while still keeping it bold. For my final speckles, I'll add some white to my blue for a pastel blue mix. Once your speckles are complete, there's just one last step that's perfect for giving your piece that glossy ceramic look. So, we'll clean our paintbrush and then add a layer of sealant to the piece for some shine, plus protection and water resistance. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and let us know what you want to see next.